Now let us see solution. First of all, in XMR, which of the following statement is valid? Which statement is valid? First, an open circuit test copper loss are obtained. Copper loss क्या open circuit test में? पहले first of all going to the open circuit test. Open circuit test look like this one, where source is connected. This is V1. I2 is 0. I2 dash is 0. Load is disconnected. Open circuit test, it means load is disconnected. Copper loss depend upon full load current. Full load current is 0. That's why copper loss is 0. The first option is valid or not? This is not valid. It is clear. Second one, in open circuit test, draw at high power factor. I will check it. And third one, in short circuit test, current draw at a 0 power factor. Not a short circuit test is also open circuit test. This is the mistake. An open circuit test draw at 0 power factor. Now let us power factor discuss. First of all, this is I0, this is I0, this is IM, this is II. This is JXM, this is RI. Any problem? Now draw. Practically IM, this be equal to VM upon JXM. I, this be equal to V1 upon RI. Practically IM is larger than II. Practically IM is larger at no load. At no load condition, IM is greater than II. Draw the waveform, phasor. Now look. This is IM, this is II. Practically it is greater. Look like this one. That's why this shifted. This is phi naught. This is II. This is IM. This is I0. Angle large, cos phi, angle is increases, then cos phi decreases. ठीक है, IM is increases, that was shifted to the IM direction. Net resultant no load current look like this one. That's why phi m angle increases but power factor decreases. Which one is correct? An open circuit test at low power factor. This is the last option is the right option. Also wrong. This is also wrong. Okay, not zero. Now another question. It is a Bhimra question. Now another question. Question number 96. 96. Open circuit test on single phase Exmer gave the following data. First one, this is 230 volt at 50 hertz, 2 ampere, 2 ampere, power factor 0.2 lag. In open circuit test, if open circuit test is performed on 230 volt at 45 hertz, then no load current first option decreases at a power factor 0.2. B decreases at a power factor less than 0.2. C increases at a power factor greater than 0.2. Last one, increases at a power factor less than 0.2. First one, which one is correct? No load current is increases or decreases or जो भी. Now, at open circuit test, first one, solution. It's a भीमरा क्वेश्चन. अपेंडिक्स सी में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको. Now, look. At open circuit test, single phase transformer give the following data. 50 hertz frequency, it will be changed. 50 hertz to 45 hertz. Now, look, circuit, open circuit. Draw the open circuit diagram. Look like, no, not here. I2, this equal to full load current is 0. This is IM, this is II, this is RI, JXM, this is I0, this is I0, this is V1. Have any doubt? ये तो सिंपल सा, इसमें क्या सोचना है. देखिए, now look, this is II, this is IM. IM this is equal to V1 upon JXM. II this is equal to V1 upon RI. IM V1 upon J omega C, sorry, omega L. This is written as also 2 pi f into L. Have any doubt? Now, case first, draw. Suppose that this is IM. This is IM at no load. Corresponding to current is 2 ampere. It means no load current. यहाँ पे जो भी बोल रहा है वो कौन सी करंट बोल रहा है? नो लोड करंट. दिस इज I0, दिस इज II, दिस इज IM. एंगल इज सपोज करो फाई नॉट. नाउ ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट एज परफॉर्मेंस 45 हर्ट्ज means IM dash this be equal to V1 upon J 2 pi F in F1 into L. Only F is changed, that's why I is also changed. Mean if now no load current I plus IM. Any doubt? This is 2 ampere in magnitude wise, not direction wise. Now IM dash, frequency decreases, current increases, magnetizing current is increases. Suppose that this is IM dash, but II is constant because RI is, it is not depend upon I. Now this is I0 dash, but angle is change phi1 dash. Angle change, it means increases. Power factor decreases. It means पावर फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा? डिक्रीज कर जाएगा. इतना तो फिक्स है. बट व्हाट अबाउट करंट? I0 डैश दिस बी इक्वल टू II plus IM dash. Now look, IM increases, that's why it is also increases. It is constant, it is constant. It means finally answer I0 dash increases, power factor decreases. Which one is correct? First, second? First, no, because no load current increases. No load current increases power factor. This one. Now another question. Look, question 95. This is 95. Short circuit test and single phase transformer give the following data. Short circuit test on a single phase Exmer gave the following data. This is 30 volt at 50 hertz, 20 ampere, power factor 0.2 lag. If short circuit test is performed on 30 volt, 25 hertz, then short circuit current. First one, A, decreases at power factor 0.2. Second one, increases at a power factor, it is right, increases at 0.2. Third, C, increases at power factor 0.2. And last one, decreases at a power factor 0.2. Now see, short circuit test. Short circuit voltage ISC R1, suppose that R2, or this is S2, this is V2. Draw. Now, according to question, look, short circuit test on single phase, following data: 30 volt, 50 hertz, 20 ampere, power factor 0.2. ठीक है? It means this is look like this one. Now, ISC शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट के बारे में पूछें. शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट दिस इक्वल टू VSC अपॉन जेड. VSC जेड अंडर रूट R स्क्वायर प्लस VSC डिवाइड बाई R2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई FL to the whole square. If frequency is decreases, it will be increases. It means पावर फैक्टर कुछ भी हो, बट इतना तो पता है कि करंट तो इंक्रीज करेगी. तो फर्स्ट टाइम सॉरी बी एंड सी में देखते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ लुक, phi SC this be equal to by R2, if frequency decreases it will also decreases, ठीक है। it will also decreases, देखिए इतना तो पता चल गया, करंट इंक्रीज करेगी। एट गिवन वोल्टेज, वोल्टेज क्या है, कांस्टेंट है, एफ कांस्टेंट, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिक्रीजेस, देन करंट, शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट, शॉर्ट सर्किट current increases, short circuit current increases, phi SC tan inverse if it is decreases, this is also decreases, if phi SC, phi decreases, power factor increases, that's why power factor greater than 0.2, तो which one correct, this is C। यहाँ पे कोई डाउट नहीं है कि ऐसे तो कैसे, वैल्यू पुट करके देख लीजिए, x2 डिक्रीज करेगा तो ये भी क्या करेगा, एंगल डिक्रीज करेगा, दैट्स वाई tan इनवर्स की वैल्यू जो आती है वो ऐसे आती है। जब एंगल डिक्रीज इट मीन्स पावर फैक्टर इम्प्रूव, तो दिस इज राइट आंसर। नाउ